Today we're going to be making a Lotus 7 kit car windscreen frame. So what we've done is we've made it out of cardboard first, then we made it out of plywood. I gave the plywood to the glass company. They just get a piece of tractor glass. In any country of the world you get tractor glass with laminate in the middle of it, plastic in the middle, and then they sandblast the logo for safety on afterwards in New Zealand. We've cut some aluminium, bolted it on here, and we're going to bend the frame around the outside to get that nice curve. And, it's important to have a nice angle here, otherwise it just looks silly on the car. So anyway, come along for the journey.
Alrighty, so here we have a propane torch. It's a little bit overkill. What we're going to do is we're going to heat up our piece of aluminium. We don't want it too hot or it will just disintegrate. We want it to be like warm, like quite warm. Probably another 5-10 seconds and it should be good to go. Okay, that's right on the limit now, I'd say. Go. Glove, alright? That's really hot. You need some hefty gloves. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Secret snake here.
Talk about it.
It's soft. It goes well. Thought it was going to be a lot harder. This is our windscreen sitting here with our test fit. We're pretty happy. Bent this with a gas torch. This is laminated glass. This guy, he's a pussycat. Okay, here's our finished product. Best that we could get it is Home Joe's. Pretty happy. Took 3 versions to get to this point. Some things that we could have done better from the start, if I was giving other people hints, is if you look from the front here, make sure you get some taper on these. If these are square, it looks ugly. You've got to pull the tops in so it's like that. If it doesn't have a curve here, it looks ugly too. This curve and those tapers would be hints for anyone who's trying to do this for the first time.